Hello everyone, here is a 2-batch leakage protection switch. It mainly consists of 2 parts. The left side is an ordinary 2-batch miniature circuit breaker. The right side is a leakage switch. Look, there is a gap in the middle. It is assembled like this. Then let's mainly look at its configuration. IC65 temperature refers to the addable current of this switch. The addable current means that it can pass a maximum of 65 amps. This is a large number. The rated current of this switch is 16 amps. That is to say, there are also 25 amps, 32 amps, and 63 amps of such a large number. But it cannot be greater than the addable current of 65 amps. Then here, the leakage protector ELE refers to the electronic leakage protector. Some leakage protectors will show ELM, which is the battery type. Then there is a 30 mA here, which is the leakage current. That is to say, when leakage occurs in the circuit and is greater than 30 mA, the leakage protection switch will be activated. Let's press the test button to try it. At this time, after the leakage switch trips, it can cause the 2 batches of miniature circuit breakers to trip and then cut off the power supply for protection. Let's close the switch again. There is another type of tripping. For example, the load is greater than the current of this switch. The load power consumption is large and greater than 16. At this time, the switch is overloaded and tripped. How does it trip? 2 batches of miniature circuit breakers trip, and then the leakage switch does not work. It can be clearly seen that this tripping mode indicates overload tripping. Friends who like circuits, double-click like and subscribe. I wish you good luck and prosperity.